Alex Kai is here, artist and realtor with a home in Seattle. I'm in Ballard preparing for an open house, and I thought I'd show you how I make my real estate videos. First, it's about lunchtime, and I need a sandwich. Okay, we're just going a few blocks away where I'm holding this townhouse open on Sunday. I like to walk through a house when I first get there, find the prettiest rooms and where the best light is. These townhouses are nice because they're newer and usually always look really good, but they're also really tall and get a lot of natural light. I'm gonna sit down here in front of the camera and just let this window provide all the natural light while I eat my sandwich. Then I need to actually show off the house, at least a little bit. Thanks for helping out today. Make sure you subscribe, follow, and like down below. And if you're looking for a home, send me a message and we'll take a tour around town together. Bye.